Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BrightLocal for local rank tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate BrightLocal for local rank tracking, begin by visiting the BrightLocal website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once you have your account set up, log in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Rank Checker option in the main menu. Click on Rank Checker to proceed. You will now see an option to add a new location. Select Add New Location to start the setup. Fill in the necessary details, including your business name, address, and the keywords you want to track. Choose the search engines and devices you want to monitor. Select the geographical area relevant to your business. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Save button. Your location will now be added to the rank tracker. Next, review the settings to ensure they are correct. You can adjust your tracking frequency based on your preferences. To start tracking, click on the Run New Report option. BrightLocal will now generate a report based on the details you provided. Review the generated report for insights into your local rankings. You can schedule automatic reports for future tracking. Explore other features in BrightLocal for additional local SEO tools. Make adjustments to keywords and settings as needed for better performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.